Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to install Pip, the Python package manager on Windows. Pip allows you to easily install and manage Python libraries and tools. So let's get started. First, we need to make sure Python is installed on your system. Open command prompt by pressing Window plus R, then type cmd, hit enter. Once command prompt is open, then type Python dash dash version. If Python is installed, you will see the version number displayed on the system. Here, Python is already installed on the system. So next, let's check pip is installed or not. For that, type command pip dash dash version. It is saying pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means pip is not installed on our system. To install pip, we need the get-pip.py script. For that, open your browser and go to the official pip installation page. This is the pip documentation. This is official pip installation page. Click on this. Go to installation link. Here we can see get-pip.py. Click on it. It is saying that download the script from this given link. So right click on this link, click save link as, save it to a folder you can easily access like your downloads folder. Click save button. Now again go to command prompt and navigate to the folder where you saved your file. Once you are in the correct folder, run the command to install pip, that is Python and get-pip.py. Then hit enter. This command will download and install pip on your system. It is showing that pip is successfully installed. Finally, let's verify that pip is installed correctly or not. For that, type command pip dash dash version. If everything works, you will see the pip version displayed. So pip is installed on our system right now. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.